Good afternoon and welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based in Mere Brow near Preston. And this afternoon I'm delighted to present this beautiful Mercedes-Benz CLA. It's the 220 diesel auto sport, 4-door coupe. Car was registered in 2015. It's on the 65 plate, finished in polar silver metallic. It's got the black leather and cloth interior with the white stitching, very attractive. I'll show you that shortly. This car's also equipped with the 18-inch 5 twin spoke alloys. Really is a lovely looking car. Please check out our website for further details, where you'll see the advert, up to 100 photos. Please feel free to call us on the landline or mobile, drop us a text or an email, and feel free to contact us via the social media platforms. Really is striking with the silver and the black trim, and certainly the black alloys. Really do set the car off. Lovely lines down the vehicle. No bumps or bangs, scrapes, dings or scratches. We like to present our cars really well. Got the front and rear park assist. Just possibly get that. Good size boot for the coupe. Great lines. Takes you to the driver's side front alloy. Again, sensors in the bumper for the Parktronic.
Imagine you were buying a lovely new silk dress.
Lovely interior.
Trade in your favorite old
I'll say it's the
for a
black,
discount. Of course
half
you
leather,
would.
half cloth
So
with the
why
white
not
stitching.
exchange when you switch cars? Wouldn't
Really
it be better to
attractive.
keep it simple?
The
Selling as we
sport
buy
seats
any
are
car
great
on
with the built-in
could put
head
you in the
restraint.
driver's seat to get a great deal.
I'm with you, Member. For more information, see webuyanycar.com/info. Guess what I got us today? What? Sky TV? Sky? What next? Feeding the cat caviar? It's only £22
The
a month.
anthracite
Do you want
headlining.
plans for a swimming pool in the back garden?
Really attractive
It's
interior.
only £22. Probably ready
Adjustable
more
centre
gold-plated
armrest.
this week. Nope, just Sky for £22.
Believe in being pleasantly surprised.
Really well
with the
set
original
out.
British drama,
Looks fantastic.
exclusive US shows and voice control.
Just jump in.
£22 a month. Sky. Believe in better.
Standard set of 20
Turn that volume down.
Term 5 10
There we go, 42,996 miles. Just start the car up. Got the paddle shift on the steering wheel. We have the FM radio. Media, Bluetooth media device. We have the navigation with the map view. That's us, Mere Brow. In between Preston and Southport. The telephone all set up to go. Of the economy, sports and manual settings for the car. Auto stop start. That's for the parking sensors. multifunction steering wheel. .12-volt locking wheel nut key. Little cubby hole at the front there. Centre armrest, 2 USB ports inside. Cup holders. Really well finished off. Lovely car. As I say, any further information, please refer to our website, philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Happy to take any questions. Feel free to make the appointment to view the vehicle, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.